Hi, I'm going to show you how to do voice to text or dictation or voice typing on your laptop. Most people are used to doing it on an iPad or an iPhone or an Android phone. It works real similar, and some people think it works even better on a laptop than on a mobile device because there's a little more guts processing power to it. So to begin with, I'm going to show you the way to use Apple's version, Siri, that's built in, and then I'm also going to show you the Google one on Google Docs. So we have to first start by going to System Preferences. You can go to the gear at the bottom too, and into the keyboard settings. Right here's keyboard. When I go to keyboard, this last option is dictation. Once you turn it on, it's going to say, hey, do you want to enable this? Yep, enable dictation. And now it's working. That's it. I could, of course, if I want to add another language, add Spanish right this way. And then I could use either one. I'm going to stick with just English for now. Now, let's try it out. So I'm going to go to a Pages document, and I need to listen. Well, wait a minute. How do I get it to start? There's no keyboard popping up like on an iPad. Well, if you saw right here, this shortcut back in the settings shows me the little microphone. It says press the microphone. That microphone is on F5. The top row of your keyboard, key F5 right in the middle there, has that little microphone. That's the default way to do it. I don't prefer that way. I actually prefer I change it to use this press the globe twice. The globe is the bottom left key on your keyboard. That works better for me, but I'm going to leave it on the microphone now because that's what you guys will probably end up using. That's the default. So now in Pages, when I go here, all I do now is click the microphone and it will start. Now it can hear me and it can type everything I say, period. It types exactly what I say, comma, or at least what it thinks I say, period. It does make lots of mistakes, ... Pay particular attention to punctuation, ! And then I click the microphone again to stop it. Obviously, you have to go back and edit. So that would need to be like that because I did that. So it's pretty darn accurate. From the bit that I've used it, I found it to be pretty accurate. Maybe actually pretty surely more accurate than when I'm using my phone. It works just fine in almost every app on the laptop. Pages, Word, works no problem. It does not work in Google Chrome, in Google Docs here. So there is an alternative. In Google Docs, as long as you're using the Chrome browser, you can use their voice typing that's built in. Also pretty easy. You have to turn it on, but then it's pretty easy to use. In a Google Doc, just go to Tools and Voice Typing. And you'll see this microphone. And all you do is click the microphone and it starts listening to you. You're going to see, though, that when I click, something's not going to work. I did that on purpose. When I click, nothing's happening. It should turn red. You'll see it in a second. That's because I didn't allow the microphone to be listened to yet. The first time you click it, it pops up and says, do you want to allow the microphone? Well, people accidentally or unintentionally or without paying attention click the block button. So I need to turn on my microphone. So right here, always allow the microphone to have, or Google Docs to have access to your microphone. It's this little microphone with a red X here in the right corner of the address bar. Now I will need to reload the page now that I've enabled the microphone. And once the page reloads, I can go try it out again. So let's go back up to Tools and to Voice Typing. There's my microphone again. So now let's give it a try. now it can hear me and it will type exactly what I'm saying. Period. Yep, I got it right again. So this one maybe is a little easier to switch between the languages, but that's not hard on that Apple one either once you've added both languages that you want. So that is voice typing. Can be super helpful to get out your thoughts without having to worry, especially if you're a slow typer. I'd encourage you to give it a try, and can be useful for students too.